Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dawn and this is Beauty and the Diabetes. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a try-on of the October AIA Beauty Bundle. The October AIA Beauty Bundle is the brand ColourPop. I took everything out of the box so we can go through each product and check it out. The prices are on the back. This is still available. I do have a referral code. I'll leave that in the description box below so you guys can see what is in the box. So I'm just going to go through each product as I come across them. So the first one actually is the biggest one in the box, and that is the Ultimate Brush Roll. This is not leather, it's vegan leather, and it says it has a retail value of $44. I haven't opened anything yet, so I'll be opening all of this on camera with you guys. So it has the ColourPop name on the side. I think I've only had one or two ColourPop products before. I want to say I got one in a BoxyCharm, and another one before that. I don't remember which one it was. Each one is in plastic, so I really wish there was a better way to do this instead of wrapping them in plastic, or there was something that was biodegradable. I'm just going to put this to the side for now. Next product in the box is the Act Natural Mascara, and I'm looking for it, and it has a retail value of $9. It says that it is in the shade brown. I normally use the shade black brown or black. I don't really use brown, but I'll use it because it's in the box. I did do my face though. I did my foundation, my blush, my bronzer. I set the eyelid already, so we're good to go. And this is what the tube looks like. And I'll take the wand out. It's a basic wand. You can see that, so I'm going to give it a whirl. And the next product that I won't be using today is the it says Fourth Ray Moisturizer, and it says the routine apply to clean skin using upward strokes. Use AM and PM for the best results, or as needed, discontinue use if irritation occurs. The next product in the box is the Soul Body Oil, and this is in the shade Champagne. This is another one I won't be using. Obviously, I'm not going to use this on my face, but I will take it out of the box. It says for sun-kissed skin and a healthy glow, this SH_T is the next level. Okay, so that's what it looks like. The shimmer. This is not really dark. It's kind of light, I guess, because we're going into fall. That's what they chose for the box here. The retail value is $10 on this. The next item is the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek, and it is the highlighter in the shade Wisp. So let me take it out of the box. And this has a retail value of $8. So you can see that this shade is a really pretty shade. It's very soft, so I'm just going to put it right there so you can see. I will use a little bit of it. I didn't use any highlight yet. And the next item in the box is the So Juicy Lip Gloss in the shade Stuntin', and the retail value on this is $8. And that is what it looks like. It's a little bit glittery. I'm not really sure if I go for glittery on the lips, but we'll use it and see what happens. Next item in the box is the brow pencil. Where are you? It's the Brow Boss Pencil in Taupe. That is the pencil. I think it looks like it might be a precise one. More precise. Yeah, it looks like one of those precise pencils. You can see it. And it is taupe, so it's quite light. You can see it right there. Yeah, it is quite light. I don't know if it's going to work for me, but I'll give it a try. Next item I have in here is the Neon Gaze eyeshadow palette, and this has a retail value of $10. It says shine bright in this trendy summer look. The This 5-pan palette includes a range of wearable neutrals in matte and matte sparkle finishes and a high voltage pop of matte neon yellow. These are the shades right here. Yeah, I would wear 3. I would wear this one. I would definitely wear this little glittery one and these 2, but the yellow is not one I would use, or I would try use it sparingly, but I think the case is kind of cute. There's one more, and it is also an eyeshadow palette, and it is the Color Vision eyeshadow palette. It says it's bubble pop electric in this hot pink trending look. This 5-pan palette includes cool neutrals in a range of matte and metallic finishes and an electric pop of matte neon magenta. Okay, back in the day, magenta was my favorite eyeshadow, and that is what the palette looks like. That is really magenta. I would wear this. This is the palette I'm going to be using for today. I don't know if I will use a magenta today. I might not. So I'm going to try the brow first. So I'm going to brush through first. I almost broke it already. Now, let's see if I can get this done. Now let me see if I can brush this through again. I like this one. I like this brow pencil. For the palette, what I'm going to do in the crease is I'm going to use this shade right here. It says Digital. Doesn't look like it has any fallout. Let's see. No. For the outer corner, I'm going to be using this shade here, Warp. And I mean, it doesn't really have fallout. I don't see any fallout. Maybe a little bit, but not a lot. All over the lid, I'm going to be using the shade, let's see, I'm going to be using Arcade. You know what, I might try a little bit of that. I'll use just a small amount in the middle to see if I like it. Really kind of drown out the Arcade. Let's see. And I'll clean off this brush and use the shade Pixel on the brow bone to see if I can clean up the brow. Okay. So for under the lash, I'm going to use some of that Arcade and then line with the shade Warp that I used in the outer corner. Okay, so I'm gonna go off camera and finish up the eye, and then we'll move on to the lip. Okay, I finished up my eye with the mascara. I have to say that it is a mess, a big mess. I don't know if you can see, it's all flakes, a lot of falling out, a lot of fallout from the palette too, which I expected that. I didn't expect it from the mascara. I really don't like the formula. It's like, it's not quite dry, it's not quite wet, it's somewhere, it's in between. I mean, I might use it again on with a different mascara and as a topper if I can use it that way. But I forgot to use the a highlighter. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a little bit and highlight across with my finger. You can see it is pigmented right there. So a little bit in the middle of the nose, tip, Cupid's bow, and right there. I'll use the lip gloss that came with it. Yeah, it doesn't impart any color, so it's just a basic lip gloss. It's a little bit glittery. It's not really so glittery. I have it right here. You can see it. It's quite sticky. This is the AIA Beauty Bundle for October. I don't know what the theme is going to be next month. They should have either be releasing it soon or it's been released before I even upload this video. You let me know what you think of these. I like the palette. I do like the palette. I did expect the fallout. I haven't used this palette. I might use this next time. I do like the colors. I mean, this is a warm contrast versus a cool contrast. I'll hold them side by side so you can see the difference. One is warm and one is cool. Cool here, warm there. I could actually mix them together. I mean, I could have used this one Kinetic in the outer corner and used this one Future, which is this shade right here, which I like that shade. I do like this peachy shade Drive quite a bit. And I could have used the Glow Scape too with the magenta. I mean, these are colors that we used to use back in the 80s. Take care. Have a great day. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.